I go by the code of the Old West. You got an enemy, you takes care of him yourself. Don't worry about a thing, partners. You just meet me in the barn tonight, and we'll rig up a surprise for Billy. Yeah! Come on, boys, hurry up. Time's a-wasting.
You know, Uncle Tex, this scheme of yours, I'm beginning to have my doubts.
Yeah, me too. I mean, us dressing up as a cowosaurus, it strikes me as kind of extreme.
I'll tell you, boys, with you acting as my decoy, Billy the Kidder is as good as captured. Ha, 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 ha. Now, are you for me or against me?
Okay, Uncle Tex, I am for you.
Hold it, Barney. I will be the front part. You can be the...
Oh, no. I'm not taking a back seat to anybody.
Sorry, Barney. We are casting by type, and you are making up the rear.
Uh-oh, Fred. It's the front or nothing.
Okay, Barney, you asked for it. A free nose job.
On second thought, there's probably more room in the back.
Come on, follow me and stay close.
Yeah, sure, Fred.
Well, Uncle Tex, do we look authentic?
Don't chew your cud so hard, Fred. It's a dead giveaway.
How do you like my tail, Uncle Tex?
Ah, watch out with that thing.
Oh, I'm sorry, Fred. Just don't know my own strength.
Remember, when Billy and his gang get set to grab you, you go moo-moo, moo-moo-moo.
I go moo-moo, moo-moo-moo. Got it.
Perfect. Now, when Blister and I hear that, we'll come charging down from the hayloft.
Moo-moo, moo-moo-moo.
Quiet, Barney. Remember, I got the speaking part. You're just an extra.
Good luck.
Moo-moo, moo-moo-moo.
Gotta hand it to you, Fred. You learn fast.
Quiet, Barney. You'll give us away. Barney, cut that out.
Well, gee, Fred, I feel itchy. Maybe if we move around a little, I won't have to scratch.
Okay, but stay close.
Sure, Fred. Real togetherness.
And be quiet, Barney. Uh-oh. Pardon us. I mean me. Uh-oh, Barney, he's following us. I think we got him mad. Hey, cut that out. Who do you think you are? Carmen. What do you know, Barney? He's a she. She's tickling me.
Gotta hand it to you, Fred. You always had a way with the ladies. Gee, it's quiet. I don't like it.
Hold it, Barney. It's him, Billy the Kidder.
Hey, there's another one.
Yeah, and what a homely one.
Hey, they're coming for us, Fred. Give Uncle Tex the signal.
The signal? Signal, yeah.
Keep him quiet.
Right, Billy.
You only got half of them. Give me that. What?
Fred, the signal. The signal.
I've never seen such stubborn cow saucers. All right, you guys, put them in the truck.
Hey, Fred, you better go over and eat with the other cows.
Oh, yeah? Well, they're not making me eat that stuff.
Hey, that one over there's not eating.
Oh, it's you again, is it? Get over there and eat. What are you, on a low-calorie diet or something?
Hey, he's talking to us, Fred. You better get over there.
I'm going, but you better come too.
Yeah, match.
You know, boss, there's something strange about that one.
Burp.
You see, boss? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Act nonchalant, Fred. Makes it more convincing.
Moo, moo.
Carmen, cut that out. We'll start with a troublemaker.
Okay, boss.
Barney, what happened?
I'll tell you later. Let's get out of here.
Gee, a talking cowosaurus.
Hey, faster, Fred. I think they're gaining on us.
We're coming to a fence, Barney. Jump for your life.
Hey, Fred, my tail's caught. Give it all you got. Harder.
Let go. Hurry up, Barney.
Wait up, Fred. I can't see.
Over here, Barney, over here. Oh, what a lucky break. We'll lose ourselves in this herd.
Another herd. Oh, a few more days of this and we'll start giving milk.
Process of elimination. And when I find them, I'm gonna eliminate them.
Okay, open up. Anybody down there? All right, you pass. Next.
Hey, what do we do, Fred? He's coming to us.
We'll just have to fake it.
Open up.
Move.
Yeah, this one looks okay. Next. Aha! Got him. Thought you could fool me, didn't you, deputies?
Hi. We were just on our way to a masquerade party.
Well, you two are going to a party, all right.